Hi guys, we have already seen how to integrate ActiveCampaign. Today we will look at how to integrate ConvertKit, which is also a third-party autoresponder app. The integration process is similar to ActiveCampaign. From the ClickFunnels dashboard, click on Workspace Settings, then go to Integrations tab. Click on Connect Integration button. You will see all the available third-party apps. From here, select ConvertKit. Here is the instruction on how to do the integration. Since I am already logged into my ConvertKit account, I will go to the ConvertKit dashboard. By the way, ConvertKit has rebranded itself as Just Kit. Now click on your account name in the top right corner and go to the settings. From here, navigate to Developer tab. Here, you need to copy V3 API secret. Paste it here. After that, click Proceed. And we see the confirmation. That's all you need to do to connect ConvertKit with ClickFunnels 2.0. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.